this beautiful woman here, her name is Joy. She is actually the pregnant woman that was found in Ezane's Sockaway pit. This woman, this beautiful woman here. And the story surrounding this woman pained me a lot. Her name is Joy. It happened that Joy's husband lost his life some months ago. That time where they get tanker explosion at Oji River. Now this woman husband by that tanker explosion where by over 70 people. Her husband follow. So this woman though already lose her husband like few months ago for that tanker explosion for Oji River. Now the only gift where her husband leave for her, the belly where she carry when the husband still there alive. Now the belly don't they reach where she born. Now is and catch and put am for soccer way fit. Carry and do all say, hey, Jehovah, things are happening. So ihe ọjọọ emere na mgbe ochie na him Ezane carry come now, carry innocent woman. Now I don't know whether this Joy now this woman whether she get other children. I don't know how this family go take manage. Papa don't die, mama don't die under mysterious circumstances. Both father and mother Mulonwike, they both died in a very painful way. Imagine say tanker explode, papa die. Now this one don't catch the mama with pregnancy, come suffocate until she die. Child, I don't know, things they happen. And then Zani open his mouth saying they sell okreka. Saying okreka now they say he's homeless. It's very, very painful. Imagine woman wey carry belle wey dey wait for the time wey she go deliver, stun the universe with one fine baby. They just catch am. No be say the pregnancy don already due. Go buy am. This is double homicide. Buy mama, buy pikin, and the husband don already buy before. How the family go take do? This is so painful. This is so painful. See fine woman wey just lose her life for nothing. They say this woman na from Oji River. Hey! God, I beg. My name is Choma Blessing Okoli, and I told you Ghana well as a TV. I said I bring and give una. Now this fine woman, now in the buy for in the house, so now be the pregnant woman where they bury for ground. Che! Before Joy Adroma.